Hello everyone, and welcome back. Just made it up to the farmhouse tonight. I'm only going to be here, I'm pretty sure, just tomorrow, and I'll have to leave Sunday morning pretty early. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I've been doing some little bit of tinkering the last hour out here, and we'll just have to wait and see what tomorrow brings. It's just been a crappy weather day today. Melissa is cooking us up a quick dinner. What are you making?
Salmon with these veggies.
Oh, I like when you make that.
It's pretty good.
Got some salmon and some shrimp there. It actually already smells good.
It does.
Nell, you're not going to get any salmon. Well, this morning I had to go into the store and I got some tar for the top of the trailer roof. There's a few spots I want to put some tar on there. I want to put a piece of rubber between that little addition that sticks out here and the actual trailer because it leaks right there, and then tar that in. And then I tinkered a little bit with the six-wheeler, and Melissa's in there making lunch right now. I can't do anything on the roof up there until everything dries out, and it was such a humid night last night, or a lot of dew, that everything is still pretty wet. Plus we had all the rain yesterday. But it's definitely a beautiful day today. I want to dig up and see if we ended up getting any potatoes. Remember, these got planted late, it was real cold, it was real wet. This is actually our second wettest year on record, at least down in the Twin Cities. I'm not sure about up here. These plants only got maybe a foot tall, so I don't have much for hopes on potatoes, but there might be a couple. Oh, I see one there. One. Little one, let's see here. Not too bad for a test run. I'm surprised I got that many. If these would have been planted when they were supposed to, and it wouldn't have been quite so wet, we could really grow some good potatoes here.
That sounds like gravy.
Oh, yeah. Well, this is probably going to be the shortest farmhouse video I've put up for a while, but all afternoon here I've been on top of the trailer roof because it had places that it leaked. There's a rubber roof that was on there that had completely blown off, or like it was hanging over the other side. Part of it ripped. Anyway, I pulled it back over and put it on, and then I've got board along the edge as far as it goes, if you can see that, screwed down because it's like they blew foam over the top of it, so you can only hit with the screws on the very edge. And then I was up there with the 5-gallon pail of tar and a brush, and then I tarred. I used the whole 5 gallons up there, so there was no way to bring my camera up there and push the button. My rubber gloves were covered in tar. I had garbage bags around tied up to my legs, covering my shoes, so my new tennis shoes didn't get full of tar. So I just got done finished with that, but then Melissa was out here. And this, of course, is where that original barn foundation is. And I never thought about it, but she was in there and she kicked around and she said she thinks it has a cement floor in it. And I'm looking right there and it's like, wow. I kicked over here. I mean, I can see that here it's cracked up and stuff, but here I can't really tell. So I'm just going to dig around a little bit. That would be sweet if that was if it was still all concrete. I mean, even if a person put a building here where the old one was, cracked up concrete floor is better than just a dirt floor. All parts of it do. I don't see any concrete here though, which is weird because it goes all the way back in this corner. There's concrete there, concrete there. It definitely has a concrete floor, and then it drops down to a trough, and then we have concrete again on that side. And this trough isn't perfectly in line, but it's almost in line. Remember the two holes that are on the outside of this barn? One is here, one is right here, and then we still have this thing out here that we don't know what it was used for. So I'm wondering if this was the original barn, if that was like a manure trough. I mean, it's not a very big barn, you know. I don't know, I'm not going to dig all this out today. This will be a project for another day, but pretty interesting. And then they've got these. I don't know what went in there. It's only down about 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch. But I'll have to get all this scraped off sometime, and more scratching our head, I guess. I think what I'd like to do right now is have a little fun and take the finish mower and the pasture that's kind of behind that front garage and behind the chicken coop. I'd like to mow on that for maybe a half hour. I'm going to run out and grab the SD cards. I'll take you along for that far one, the one that used to be in the woods that I moved, so you can see where that is. And the other ones I'm just going to grab. So this one I put right on that fence post because we have this mowed area and there's definitely some deer tracks through here, so I thought, who knows, looks like it's a little bit crooked, but maybe we got some pictures. Oh, let's run inside and see what we have on the cameras. Okay everyone, well the trail camera pictures, I think we had over 800 between all the cameras combined. I only put a few of them up. I think the coolest part was the fox finally being caught on video. For supper tonight we just had leftovers from what Melissa made today for lunch, which was absolutely awesome. And now it's a little bit after 10 o'clock at night, so her and I will be going to bed soon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning everybody. It's about 6:35 right now, 49 degrees. All I have to do is put the SD cards back in the cameras, run the garbage can down, and it's time for me to head south. Thanks a lot for watching everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.